So what I'm going to do is I'm making a cutting board that needs a hole in it, and I need to use it needs a 1 1/4 inch hole. I don't have a Forstner bit or a drill bit that size, so I'm going to do it with the shaper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pocket it out. So what I did is I set this, I created a circle, called it 1 1/4 inch wide, and I'm going to do it in steps where I'm going to go 1/8 inch deep at a time, and I'm going to pocket it. Then I'm going to cut on the inside of the line to clean up the steps of the pocket. So here we go. First I'm going to go to the cut mode, and I got to go to a Z-touch, and the Z-touch is going to bring the cutter down to measure from the cutter to where the material starts. So it's done that, and now I'm going to find my circle there, and instead of telling it to cut inside the line, and find that piece in the center vibrates into the router bit and creates a little weird hole, I'm going to tell it to pocket that. So now I'm going to tell it just to cut an 1/8 inch deep, and I'm going to go around and pocket that. I'm going to turn the shaper on, the router, and the vacuum. So you can see there, it just cut an 1/8 inch pocket so far. Now I'm going to tell it to go a 1/4 inch deep. I went an 1/8 inch. I got to do this in increments, and I'm going to go back and clean that up again. Just out 3/8. Half inch. All the way through now. Now I'm going to come back and go over it, and I'm going to tell it to cut on the inside the line. Inside the line. And that's just to clean up the steps where I went in 1/8 inches deep at a time. there you go. I created a hole, and pretty clean hole without having a Forstner bit or a drill bit to drill that. And this is the hand hole for a sink cover for a motorhome. Made easy with the Shaper Orgin router. No tear out on the bottom side.